In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram Reel share friend ID not showing problem or Instagram share list friends not showing problem. For fixing this problem, open your Play Store app, then search Instagram. Now tap on Instagram. Now up to date your Instagram from here. If available any update version, then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps or application management. Then tap on it. Then tap on see all apps. Now search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Tap on force stop. Then OK. Then tap on storage and cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now open Instagram app. Then log into your account. Tap on continue. Got it. Save. Now click on share option. You can see that friend list option. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram Reel share friends not showing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.